I didn't start cleaning homes because it was my dream. I started because my family needed a way out. In 2001, we moved to Colorado Springs full of hope. The tech industry was booming. Intel had built a new plant. We truly believed everything was lining up. And then 9/11 happened. Jobs vanished. The future changed overnight. My husband began flipping homes to keep us afloat. A couple went well, but one didn't. Suddenly, we were upside down. Debt felt heavy. Stress followed us everywhere. At the time, I was working at the Broadmoor, 5-star, 5-diamond resort, a place where excellence, precision, and service matter every single day. But behind the scenes, I was worried. Every finance charge felt like money flying out the door. That's when I came across Dave Ramsey. His advice wasn't flashy. It was old school, common sense, the kind your grandmother would give you. When he talked about cleaning homes as a way of getting out of debt, something clicked. I needed flexibility, so I moved apartments to serve Sunday brunch just so I can clean homes on the side. And that's when something unexpected happened. I realized how much joy I got from helping people, from walking into a home that felt overwhelming and leaving it calm, clean, and peaceful. That's when I knew this was more than survival. In 2007, I turned it into a business. Years later, after grit, growth, and staying true to high standards, I became debt-free in 2024. Today, I lead a team I'm incredibly proud of, a team built on professionalism, trust, and care. Our mission is simple: to lighten your load so that you never have to think about cleaning again. Because I know what it feels like when life is heavy, and sometimes it starts with a clean home.